Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about assembling IKEA's MICKE drawer unit. I already had the MICKE compact table with a drawer unit and a space to keep your chargers and extenders. Since this table was pretty compact, I decided to extend this table instead of buying a new one. So I got the MICKE drawer unit with casters. We started off with unboxing all the materials, especially the toolbox with all the nuts and bolts. So we started with the box first and added all the channels. As I've mentioned earlier in my videos, the IKEA's assembly book is quite precise, and if you follow it step by step, you will not end up with any issues. I would even advise not to be too creative with the assembly and follow the instructions down to the T. We are done with the channels now, so we will add the base and the bottom to it. Our skeletal box is now ready, and we added the casters, and we'll start off with the drawers now. Assembly drawers on this unit was quite easy, and we just completed the first one. Second drawer is ready as well, but yeah, there was a mistake with the channels. We revisited and corrected that. The top two drawers were quite small, but the efforts to create the drawers would be the same as the other two. So we are done with the third one as well. And now the final one is done as well. Once we're done with the last drawer, we realized that we made a mistake. We had to open all the drawers to fit it back properly. Finally, it was done. This is how I finally extended my table. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.